In this video, I will show how to write this epsilon symbol in Excel. So click on Insert, then Equation. Click on this down arrow, and here you have to find out this epsilon. Select it. You can write using this shortcut /var EPSILON. Like slash, then press space. VAR. So write this code and press spacebar one time. Also, you can select from this equation symbols with both variant. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.